Ready to set up your new LEVOIT Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier? Let's get started. Place your humidifier on a hard, flat, and water-resistant surface. To fill the tank, start by removing the nozzle cover and taking the water tank off the base. Flip over the water tank and remove the water tank cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Fill the tank with room temperature water. We recommend purified or distilled water. After filling, replace the water tank cap. The arrow on the tank cap should align with the lock on the tank. Place the nozzle cover back on the tank. Now your humidifier is ready to use. Plug it in and tap the control button. Press it repeatedly to switch between mist settings. Blue means low mist. Orange means medium mist. And purple means high mist. If the control button is red, either the humidifier is empty or the tank is not securely on the base. If you'd like to add aroma to the mist, start by turning off the humidifier. Push the aroma box located at the back of the base and pull it out. Put 2 to 3 drops of essential oil on the aroma pad and push it back into the humidifier. Never put essential oils directly into the tank or base. If you notice your humidifier leaking, check if the silicone sealing around the water tank cap is secure. Also, make sure the arrow on the water tank cap is aligned with the lock on the tank after filling. If the mist is unusually low or not coming out at all, there may be too much water in the base. To fix this issue, take the water tank off the base and pour out all the water inside the base. Fill up the tank and place the tank back on the base. Now you're an expert at using your new humidifier. We hope you enjoy the comforting atmosphere your humidifier provides.
Get the most out of your Vicks Mini Filter-Free Cool Mist Humidifier. Follow these helpful steps. Make sure your humidifier is on a firm, level, water-resistant surface at least 12 inches from the wall. To fill the water tank, remove the tank from its base using the handle. Turn the arrow towards the open lock symbol to remove the cap and fill the tank with cool water. Make sure that the black cap seal is on and secure the cap by twisting it firmly into the lock position. Set the tank back on the base. Be sure your humidifier is turned off before plugging it in. Then turn the power knob to the highest setting and let it run until a comfortable humidity level has been reached. Once reached, turn the control knob to a lower setting. Your ideal humidity level should be between 40 and 60%. Be sure to direct the mist output away from any walls, furniture, or bedding. To use Vicks VapoPads, open the scent pad door, insert the VapoPad, and then shut the door for hours of soothing menthol vapors.
With the LEVOIT Classic 300S Humidifier, create healthy humidity the smart way. Using the free VSync app, you can control your humidifier from your smartphone and can even connect to third-party voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Rest easy, knowing your home and belongings are well cared for, as auto mode keeps your target humidity in place, and the water tank's wide opening makes refills quick and spill-free. You can even add essential oils to the aroma pad for calming fragrances, and bring in a little light for quiet comfort. Refresh your space with LEVOIT.
This is Christine. Christine has been looking for the perfect portable humidifier that she can take with her on the go or use at home. Luckily for Christine, HoMedics created the Total Comfort Portable Ultrasonic Humidifier. It can run over 3 hours without being plugged in. It's perfect for her car, but she also takes it with her when she travels. Christine loves the clean tank technology that helps protect the water tank from mold and mildew. It's a must-have feature for her. She's also a huge fan of the visible ultrasonic cool mist, the 2 mist settings, continuous or intermittent, and the 10 hours of runtime she gets when it's plugged in. Plus, each one has a color-changing accent light. Christine has always trusted HoMedics, the established leader in wellness, to make her life easier and healthier, one innovative solution at a time.
Experience the power of water as a mist with the AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier. Dry air can leave your skin and throat feeling like sandpaper. Instead, wake up feeling refreshed. When you need dry air relief, This quality ultrasonic humidifier is the one you're looking for. It's so good for everyday life. You can enjoy its benefits at home. Your plants can enjoy it, and you can even enjoy while you work. Breathe better, sleep better, live better with the soothing cool mist from AquaOasis. Now available on Amazon. AquaOasis.
Moisturize skin and clear sinuses with the adjustable cool and warm mist ultrasonic humidifier by Miko. First, please register your humidifier. Remove pesky mineral buildup with the hidden brush conveniently located under the 1.2-gallon water tank. And the top fill design with magnetic suspension allows you to easily remove the tank from the base for clean and dry refills. Further protect your humidifier from calcium buildup with optional demineralization cartridges. Mitigate mold and bacteria with the warm mist feature. Choose from 3 levels of mist: low, medium, and high. Cover up to 540 square feet with the dual 360-degree mist nozzle. Auto mode senses your air's relative humidity, adjusting its output to maintain optimal levels. Hold the auto mode button on the interface for 2 seconds to activate Whisper Quiet Sleep mode, and set the mood with 3 modes of ambient light, including alternating, holding, and meditative breathing that calms your mind by guiding you through breathing exercises. IH is inhale, HO is hold, and EH is exhale. Timer mode means peace of mind with 2, 4, 8, and 12-hour options. And the humidifier automatically shuts off when the water tank is empty. Diffuse your favorite oils with the aroma function. The remote provides convenient access to all functions of the humidifier. Enjoy cleaner air with the cool and warm mist humidifier.
Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Honeywell warm mist humidifier running efficiently. If you recently used the humidifier, wait 20 to 30 minutes for the unit to cool before cleaning. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a water-resistant surface near a faucet. Before cleaning, turn off, unplug, remove any accessories from the humidifier, and empty the water tank. Disassemble the medicine cup by pulling it apart from the mist chimney. Next, remove the mist chimney and removable tray by gently pushing on the latch and lifting straight up. Finally, empty the base and follow these separate steps for descaling and disinfecting. Both steps are important and should be performed weekly. To descale the unit, fill the base and water tank with 1 cup of undiluted vinegar, making sure the vinegar covers the heating element. Replace the cap and gently swish the solution in the tank to make sure the vinegar wets the entire inside. Soak for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, wet a soft cloth with vinegar and wipe the medicine cup, mist chimney, and removable tray. These parts are also top rack dishwasher safe. After soaking, with a soft brush, gently scrub the heating element to remove mineral deposits. Next, empty the vinegar from the tank and reservoir and rinse all the humidifier's parts with water until the smell of vinegar is gone. To disinfect, use gloves when handling bleach. Mix a gallon of water with a teaspoon of bleach and pour the bleach solution into the base and water tank. Replace the tank cap and gently swish the solution in the tank to make sure it wets the entire inside. Soak for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, wet a soft cloth with the bleach solution and wipe the mist chimney, medicine cup, and removable tray. After soaking, empty the solution from the base and tank. Rinse each of the humidifier's parts with water until the smell of bleach is gone.